Ready for an epic coastal adventure? No Australian adventure is complete without witnessing the breathtaking views of the 12 Apostles. These towering limestone giants are nothing short of a natural marvel. Brace yourself as you cruise along one of the most jaw-dropping scenic drives on the planet. This postcard-perfect view is guaranteed to leave you amazed. Next up, head to Bells Beach, a surfer's paradise and iconic spot for catching some of the best waves. The cliffside views here will leave you speechless. Wrap up your adventure with a meal at a local cafe, soaking in the ocean breeze and stunning scenery. When planning your Australian tour, be sure to include the 12 Apostles in your itinerary.